Welcome all. Installing of Sitecore 9.3 using Sitecore Installation Assist is much more easier than installing the previous version. So let's watch how to install Sitecore 9.3 using Sitecore Installation Assist. Sitecore compatibility table is displayed on the screen. The link is provided in the description. Must refer these links for ease in the process of installation of Sitecore 9.3. The Sitecore can be downloaded from the official link. The link is provided in the description. Scroll down and we are downloading the XP single package, but you can download XM scale as per the requirement. After downloading, all these files shown up in the downloaded folder. Click on Setup. Click on Start and prerequisite window will open. Click on Install and our Sitecore install framework and Windows Server prerequisite will install. It will take a little while and it will install in the system. After installation, click on Next and install Solar step will appear. Provide the unique port. Make sure the port is not used in the previous installation of Solar. Provide a unique port. Provide Windows service and path prefix for Solar to install, and browse for the location where you want to install the Solar. Provide the location. Provide all the necessary detail and then click on Install. The Solar will install in the port mentioned in the text box. The Solar installed successfully in our system. Click on Next, and in the Sitecore setting we have to provide the installation prefix. Provide the name with which you want to install the Sitecore instance. Provide the admin password and the license file. Provide all the necessary information and then click on Next. In the next step, we have to provide SQL Server settings to create databases in our SQL Server. Open the SQL Server first. Copy the server name of the SQL instance and paste it in the Microsoft SQL Server instance name. Provide the username and the password of the SQL database server, and in Solar setting it is automatically filled with all the information we have provided previously while installing Solar. For cross verifying, we are copying the URL and paste it in the browser to cross verify that our Solar which we have installed on the port is working or not. Cross verify it from your end And in the next step, we have to click on Sitecore Experience Accelerator. Cross verify all the necessary settings in the summary option. Click on next. All the check marks are available, and then installation process of Sitecore 9.3 is started. Sitecore installed successfully. Click on Launch Sitecore. One of the major problems which I have faced while installing the Sitecore is that Sitecore Marketing Automation Engine not start even after starting the service manually, and sometimes search index not starting. So for that I have figured out the solution. Maybe it might help. This problem is caused due to the certificate. Either we can check for the license file we have used, or we can open the PowerShell as an administrator and then run the command. I have put the command in the description. You can copy paste from there and you can search the Sitecore successfully. If you find this helpful, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon for more updates.